Hi, this is Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and man, do I got a cool one for you. I got a 1995 Chevrolet C1500. This truck is finished in beautiful red with a gray interior, and we're going to take a look at it. A lot of work's been done to this truck, and it is absolutely gorgeous. If you have any questions on this truck, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take a look at this 1995 Chevrolet C1500. Like I said, this truck is finished in beautiful red. It's got the black cover over the bed. Really looks good. It's got the bug guard on the hood. It's got a lot of things have been done to this car. It has a IHC lowering kit. It's been C-notched. It's got Bliestein Shocks, and it's got brand new US mag chrome, factory style wheels. They're a little bigger. They really look good. Brand new Michelin tires. And it is a Silverado as well. Silverado, I forgot to mention that. So, and on the motor and transmission, it's got a 350 motor, 700 R4 transmission. Transmission was recently rebuilt on the truck. So a lot of good things about the truck, but we'll take a look at it. All the dash is in excellent shape. A lot of times these crack really bad, but this one here is in great shape. It's got a newer style radio that is Bluetooth or can be hooked to your phone if you like. Steering wheel looks good. A lot of times these are cracked as well. Really just looks good. And a lot of times the seats are torn or ripped, but these really look good. And they are power as well, power seat on both sides. So really looks good. Door panels look good. So shut the door here. Door shut easy. Top's in good shape as well. A lot of times they have clear coat peel, but this one really looks good. All the clear looks good on it. Paint and body works in great shape. Wheels really look good on it. Show you inside the bed. Inside the bed is finished with a Line-X bed liner. Really looks good. It's got a black finish to it. It's got the cover on the back. The cover is really nice. Can be rolled up as well, so it rolls up. And but we're going to take the off, and we're going to start the truck and see how it sounds. The truck sounds good. Cut it off here. But just really looks good. The wheels really make the truck. All the dash works great. All the instruments. Really nice. Shut the door. Said the door shut easy. New chrome door handles were installed on the truck as well. Really look good. Lots of chrome on the truck. Underneath the hood, like I said, it's powered by a 350 Chevrolet 700 R4, power steering, power disc brakes. A lot of just really nice equipment's been done to the truck. Really looks good. Under the hood looks good. So shut the hood here. We'll take one more quick look at the 1995 Chevrolet C1500 Silverado. If you have any questions on this truck, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take this truck for a test drive and see how it does. All right, we're going to take this 1995 Chevrolet C1500 Silverado for a test drive and see how it does. Like I said, it does have a new model radio in it. It is Bluetooth, or you can plug your phone in, either way. But we're going to take this truck for a test drive and see how it does. Beautiful day here in Kentucky. Perfect day to be driving classic cars and trucks just like this one. So we're gonna take it for a drive and see how it does. Right, here we go. Truck really does good, shifts through all the gears the right way. Just an excellent running driving truck. It really, really does good. We're going to turn around and head back. And like we do every time, I'm going to have Greg get on it just a little bit. We'll see what this truck's made of. No rattles or shakes in this truck. Everything just works exceptionally. Really, really nice. Like I said, we're going to turn around and head back. We'll see what this truck's made of. Got one car coming and then we'll be ready. All right, here we go. Truck really runs and drives great. Like I said, shifts through all the gears the right way. Just a really, really nice truck. So, all right, we're gonna head back here. Like I say every time, don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. If you have any questions on this truck, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping and financing is available on any vehicle that we have. But we're going to show you what this truck looks like underneath, and here's the underneath.